Okay, Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. So today we'll be talking about the group CSR that we have done for the past few months at Segari, Perak. And for the code is DPB40113, Business Ethics. And the lecturer that have done the CSR with us is Puan Nurul. So let's start our presentation. So this is the team members. First is Tulka Shinib. Second is Nur Harira Sakia. Third is me, Nur Kurato Aini. Fourth is Nur Aina Zakira. And the fifth is Nur Nazifa Akila. Let's begin our presentation.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Drukashni. For our CSR project, my group and I visited to the Pulsar Conservancy and Penerangan Penyu Segari. This is a conservation center that focuses on protecting sea turtles and increasing public awareness about their importance in our ecosystem. When we first arrived, we were given a short briefing about the center and the types of sea turtles they take care of. I found it very interesting because I learned that sea turtles are actually endangered animals and they need a lot of care and protection to survive. For my role in this project, I was responsible for helping to clean the sea turtles pond and also assist in bathing the turtles. At the beginning, I felt a bit nervous and unsure because I had never handled the turtle before. However, after listening to the instruction and guidance from the staff, I became more confident and comfortable. One of the main tasks I did was cleaning the turtle's shell. The turtle had a green layer on the shells, which is called alga. This happens naturally because they live in water, but if too much alga builds, it can affect their health and movement. So, we carefully and gently scrub the alga off their shells. We had to be very careful so that we did not hurt the turtles. This activity taught me to be patient and gentle when we handling animals. Besides that, we also clean the turtle ponds. We remove dirt, leftover food and waste from the water and surrounding area. This is important because a clean environment helps prevent diseases and keeps the turtle healthy. I realized that the maintaining their habitat is just as important as taking care of the turtle themselves. This task is related to the ethical component of corporate social responsibility. Ethical responsibility means doing what is right and showing care for others, including animals and the environment. Even though we are not forced by law to do this, we still choose to help because it is the right thing to do. Through this experience, I learned many valuable lessons. First, I learned the importance of protecting wildlife, especially endangered species like sea turtles. Second, I learned that small action can make a big difference. Even something simple like cleaning alga or maintaining the pond can improve the turtle's quality of life. Lastly, I learned the importance of teamwork because we had to work together and support each other to complete all the tasks successfully. Personally, this experience made me feel happy and proud because I was able to contribute to something meaningful. It also made me more aware of human action and affect the environment and animals. In conclusion, the CSI activity helped me understand that protecting nature and wildlife is a shared responsibility. Conservation centers like this play an important role in educating people and ensuring that future generations can still appreciate sea turtles. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Harira Safia binti Iswadi. My number matric 1096. Okay, now I will present about CSR. A few months ago, my classmate and I participated in a CSR program at the Turtle Conservation and Information Center. It was a very meaningful experience. We were involved in activities like the cleaning environment and helping at the conservation area. My task was to clean the turtle pond and take care of the turtle. At first, it was challenging, but with teamwork and good communication, we managed to complete everything well. This activity reflects CSR responsibilities. It shows ethical responsibility by protecting the environment and wildlife, and legal responsibility as the center follows rules to protect endangered species. It also shows economic responsibility in managing resources to maintain the center and discretionary responsibility because we volunteer our time without any reward. From this program, I improved my teamwork and became more aware of the importance of protecting marine life. Overall, this experience was unforgettable and taught me to be more responsible towards the environment and community. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Qurato Aini binti Muhammad Hairuddin and my matrix number is 15 DPM 24F 1098. During our CSR activity at Pusat Konservasi and Penerangan Penyu Segari Pantai Pasir Panjang, Segari Perak, my task was to clean the turtle pond and gently scrub the turtle shells. So this task was important to help maintain hygiene and in the pond and ensure the turtles stay in a healthy environment. So cleaning, the shells also help remove dirt and algae that had accumulated on them. So this is very important for them. So the CSR component that relates most to my task is ethical responsibility. This is because caring for animals and protecting their environment reflects moral responsibility. Even though this activity is not directly related to profit, it shows concern for animal welfare and environmental sustainability. And from this experience, I learned that taking care of wildlife requires patience, responsibility, and proper handling. At first, I thought cleaning turtle was simple, but I realized that it must be done carefully to avoid causing stress or harm to them. So this activity also taught me that CSR is not only about helping communities, but also about protecting living creatures and preserving nature. Through this experience, I understand that even small efforts can contribute to be a better environment and support conservation for future generations. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuraina Zafira binti Zaidi and my matric number is 1108. So for our CSR activity, we went to a turtle conservation center. There we did some cleaning activities and also listened to a short sharing session about turtles. My task was brushing the floor and also cleaning the turtles by gently brushing their shell. This is important to keep them clean and make sure their environment stays safe and healthy from this. I realized that even simple tasks like cleaning can actually help protect marine life. I would like to relate my task to environmental responsibility under CSR. I think this is more towards ethical and discretionary responsibility because taking care of the environment is not just about rules, but also about doing the right thing. During the session, I also learned that turtles sometimes eat plastic because they think it's food, which can be very dangerous for them. This made me realize how our action can really affect animals. From this experience, I learned that small action can make a big difference. For example, just by keeping the environment clean, we are already helping to protect the turtles. In conclusion, this activity taught me to be more responsible towards the environment and that everyone has a role in protecting nature. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuraina Zafira binti Zaidi and my matric number is 1108. So for our CSR activity, we went to a turtle conservation center. There we did some cleaning activities and also listened.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nazifa Akila binti Asmin Syam and my matrix number is 1110. I'm a part of our group of this CSR project during our visit to the Turtles Conservation Center. My main responsibility was to help clean the ponds and care for the turtles. I removed algae and moss that had built up in the ponds and gently bathed the turtles to ensure they were clean and healthy. Throughout this task, I follow all safety and hygiene procedures to protect both the turtles and the volunteers. This activity is part of the ethical component of CSR because it involves treating living creatures with care and respect. It also reflects discretionary CSR as our participation was voluntary and aimed at helping both the community and the environment. By maintaining clean habitats and taking care of the turtle, we contribute to promoting animal welfare responsibly. Through this experience, I learned the importance of responsibility, passion, and empathy. I realized that even small action can make a big difference in conservation efforts. I also understood that teamwork and attention to detail are very important when handling delicate characters and the environment. In conclusion, this activity not only helped the turtles but also taught me valuable lessons about ethical responsibility, teamwork, and the positive impact of voluntary contribution in society. Assalamualaikum, my name is Nazifa Akila binti Asmin